Hello everybody. If you recognize this purple envelope, then you are as excited as I am. I have been trying to get my hands on some of this for so long. And I'll let you guess what this is. Go ahead. Nope, you're wrong. This is, I'm sure some of y'all are screaming at the screen right now going, oh, I know what it is, I know what it is. If you recognize the purple envelope, it's Paddy Waxx. And I am so excited. I thought I needed scissors, but looks like it's got a little tear strip right here. I'm gonna try to attempt to tear into it. I have been watching her add things to the Etsy store every day for several months, and guess what? I never get anything. Look. Wow, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, wow, we got a bat ring, guys. Ooh, that scared me. I think the owner's name is Robin, so I'm very excited. Oh, we got some eyeball candies. I don't know what all that is. Huh? Looks cool. Okay, I'm not going to show you what flavors I got until after I get everything out of the bag. You might already know what that is because you might have got one too. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got some sours. How does Robin know I got kids that like all this candy and stuff? I think she just... Oh, surprise. Oh, don't want you to see. Don't want you to see. Yeah, it's going to be a surprise. There's some papers in here. Hang on, I got to dig them out. I am so excited, guys. Y'all have no idea. I've heard everybody talking about this stuff. And I'm like, I want to get my hands on it, right? So, here we go. Ooh, there's stuff falling out. Can y'all see that? Oh my goodness. How'd she know I like Sally? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is cute too. Wow, Robin, that's so cute. I love it. And this is a little clear sticker. Oh, I love this stuff. Makes me feel so special. I'm gonna read the note off camera, guys. Oh, ooh, look at this. Tattoo. I think it's a tattoo. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna read this off camera. It says, Pamela. Hello, diamond painting friend, and welcome to Paddy Waxx. Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope that my handmade wax will heighten your diamond painting experience as much as it has my own. I'll explain my diamond painting experience in a few minutes after I finish reading this. For best results, I do not recommend using PWSS in a multi-placer. Original Paddy Waxx, however, can be used in either one. Okay, I don't have PWSS. That's Paddy Waxx Super Sticky. I don't have that. I don't think I'm gonna get that because I'll put it in like a multi-placer like she's telling me not to, and then I'll mess everything up. It's here. My own line of diamond paintings. For updates, announcements, and Paddy Waxx demos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've already done that. Distracted by Diamonds, RK, and also please check out my friend Jessica at her channel, Tiny Worlds of Wonder, for exclusive content and unboxings. Okay, I'm going to add her right after this video. I think I heard that Tiny Worlds of Wonder and Distracted by Diamonds, Robin from Paddy Waxx, are co-owners, co-proprietors of the Distracted by Diamonds diamond painting company, and that she's the sole proprietor and inventor of Paddy Waxx. So that's so cute. Thank you for the nice little note, Robin. I love it. And thank you for my gifts on the table. But here is the flavors, guys. I'm so excited. You can't even see this one, can you? This is a total surprise for me because I have no idea what this is. Let's see. Super sticky. She gave me a sample. Isn't that so cute? Is it a little bear? Oh, guys, it's super sticky in there. It's not moving. I can't wait to try that out. I might like super sticky more than the Paddy Waxx. I don't know. We'll see. If I ever get to diamond painting, we will see. Okay, now let me explain to you about my diamond painting, what you call that, experience. I can't diamond paint. I'm too busy with all my crystal diamond painting trays and mailing those off to 80 million people on my Etsy store that I get to diamond paint maybe 3 times a week at night. That's about it. It's terrible. So anyway, back to this. Got some super sticky. Okay. Y'all want to guess what these are? You're not gonna be able to guess. So I got Happy Birthday and I got Rockstar. This is supposed to be a tribute to Freddie Mercury from Queen, one of my favorite singers in the whole world. I sing his songs all the time. And this one is supposed to be Happy Birthday. I guess vanilla cake or birthday cake scent. So let's smell. I have no idea. I hope this don't smell like Freddie Mercury's armpits. Let's go. Let's see. I gotta open and I gotta put it to my nose. My nose can't go on camera. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow. Wow, let me describe what this smells like to you, since I know YouTube doesn't have smell-o-vision yet. Oh gosh. Okay, y'all see how red it is, right? Imagine, wow. Imagine what would go with red. It has a wild cherry scent to it. Wow. Now I heard on all of the Facebook groups that you want to use this side of the wax, and that she puts glitter on the side you don't want to use. And I'm thinking that's because that's the side that's down in the pan and it's a little harder. I don't know, guys. Maybe y'all can put that down in the comments below. But this is softer right here. And apparently I take my pin and I go across it like that and scratch it. I don't know why some of these women have so many of these, because it looks like it would take you forever. I think they just like collecting the flavors, and that's probably what I'm gonna do too. So Robin, watch for my next order. I haven't even used this yet, and I'm already ready to order again. Okay, now let's do our happy birthday. Okay. I can smell it from here, guys. I can smell it from here. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't even talk, guys, because it smells so good. Wow. Just imagine sitting down at a birthday party. They cut the cake. They put the cake on a plate. Got white glitter. Like, can y'all hear the rain outside on my window? Oh my gosh. I think we're having a hurricane right now in Florida. Yeah, just imagine a piece of birthday cake sitting next to you. Wow, Robin, these are amazing. I cannot wait. I'm gonna tag her down below. I'm gonna post her Etsy shop from Paddy Waxx. Now, you guys are gonna have the same problem I have. What you gotta do is you gotta sit at home all day long. At 12, I think she said 12, and then later at night she posts some stuff. But I hang out at 12. At lunchtime, I eat my lunch at 12. And I look on my Etsy store and it says notifications, and it says Paddy Waxx, add some stuff to her shop, and boom, I'm clicking on it. Like 5 seconds. Tap, tap. Get me some wax. I got two days in a row, and she shipped them together. So thank you again very much, Robin. I will be a return customer, and I love your stuff. And hopefully by the time I order my next wax, I will have got to try these. I'm gonna try them tonight. in a regular diamond painting pin. So, very excited, guys. Thank you for coming to see this video today. Thank you, Robin, for all the stickers and candies. I'm kind of disappointed I didn't get a Paddy Waxx sticker. I'm just saying, because I wanted to make like a little display here with stickers, because I love stickers. So I'm gonna put all these stickers probably on a little background. I'm not sure what this is. This is just a little piece of, I'm not sure if this is a sticker or not, guys. I think the plastic might peel off. I don't know. But it's really cute. And thank you so much, everybody, for watching this video. And run out and get you some Paddy Waxx. See you later. Bye.